$1,000 went into upgrading the system, and we continue to reinvest back into Click Money. When you register today, you are getting the most up-to-date version. Since the creation of Click Money, we've been able to quadruple our profits with the investments we've made back into the system. More efficient automation combined with our trading knowledge means more money for our current members. You saw our members make a few $100s in mere minutes, and now it's time for you to see what the Click Money system has done for them since they got started. It's also your turn to follow in our past members' footsteps. You never know, you could make even more money. Remember the phone call I made to our member Amy in the car? She was the last member to join and by far the most successful. It's in my professional opinion that the ones who get signed up now and going forward will have the opportunity to make the most money, simply due to the upgrades made and the Click Money's win percentage. If you are ready to sign up now and don't need further assistance with the registration process, then please fill in the registration form on this page and click the button. All details must be accurate. Once you complete this step, you'll be redirected to the broker deposit page. From there, fund your broker account with a specified amount and the Click Money system will instantly unlock. Then enjoy money-making power like you've never seen before. I do, however, recommend that if you've got some extra time to spare, watch the video in its entirety. You'll meet some of the other members and we will walk you through the registration process you see on this page. It's very easy. Okay then, let's not keep our guest waiting, but more importantly, let's not keep you waiting. It's time to Click Money. Sorry for the interruption. Do you mind if I join you millionaires?
No, we were just going over their year-to-date earnings since they registered with the system. And as you can see, it's quite impressive.
Yeah, I was just talking to the folks online about this. I'm sure they'd be interested to hear. But let's start with Stephen and Helen. You made a $500 deposit. Can you tell us what your balance was after 10 minutes?
Sure, absolutely. I'll never forget it. With a $500 deposit, the broker doubled our deposit instantly. So we had $1,000 in the system before we even clicked the button. After 10 minutes was up, we had $4,500 in our broker account. Helen and I were just floored. I think we finished that whole bottle of champagne that day.
Good times, good times. Now, how long have you two been with the Click Money system so far?
I think it's been almost a year.
Yeah,
hasn't it?
about a year. Time flies when you're making money. Jeez.
And how much money have you earned since then?
Go ahead, you can say it.
$1,225,783.46.
Wow.
Very impressive indeed.
Yeah, we're averaging around $125,000 a month right now.
Helen, remind everyone watching online, what did you have to do to earn this?
We just clicked where the system said to click, and that's if we were doing it manually.
Most of the time, we just let the system work its magic. Every time we've left it in auto mode, we've never lost a single trade.
Brilliant, brilliant. Now, you've heard it straight from the source, unbelievable. Now, I know our viewers are anxious to get started, so why don't we get into our accounts now? Now, that can be your bank account, it can be your broker account, it's entirely up to you, whatever you feel comfortable with. Now, once you've got your figures on the screens there, guys, can you spin your laptops around and let's see those numbers, please?
Wow. I wanted to share something a little more personal. I've just logged into my bank account. Before I met both of you, I had $500 to my name. I now have $596,108.29.
Wow.
After having 3 children, this is an absolute lifesaver. To be honest, I probably could have made a bit more money, but I'm happy now, and to me that's all that matters.
You're right, Sarah. Your happiness is all that matters, and I'm really proud of you. I've heard you've met somebody new as well.
Yes.
Oh.
After my ex-husband left me, I didn't think I was going to find anyone else. But when you no longer have to worry about money, you can just focus on the things that make you happy, and that's when I found a new confidence. And this is how I met the man of my dreams. And he loves my kids as if they were his own.
Bless, that's such a happy story to hear. That's awesome, Sarah, it really is. Okay, James, over to you. Now, you've got some interesting figures there, so do you want to go ahead with that very big number?
Well, it is a big number, Harry. I'm really addicted to the Click Money system. Since I registered my broker account, which by the way was free, I've made $3,214,980.17.
Well done, well done, well done. Now, we've got the figures in front of us here. You may be wondering why we're all using the same system, why we're not making the same amounts of money. Well, for many reasons, really. Now, let's use James as an example, if I may. James, now, what is the number one contributing factor of you earning this outstanding figure, $3 million?
Well, like I said, Harry, I got really addicted to using it. The system was on all the time. If there was a stock market open, the system was on making trades for me. It was never off. Even if there's a foreign market working, I'm making trades. Now, I never took any money out of my personal broker account. I just left the money in. I let the profits accrue and reinvest, and it started kind of a domino effect. And after 2 months, I was able to make a very, very substantial withdrawal. Now, the money's not for me, it's for my kids. I think I mentioned they don't speak to me anymore. I wasn't the best dad growing up. But one day when I die, I'm going to leave them the fortune that I made with the Click Money system. And I still hope to reconcile with them and to be back in their lives. But until then, I'm satisfied. I'm happy knowing that this money is going to set them up for life and their children and their children's children for generations to come.
You're a good man, James, and I'm sure your children will see that one day. You never know, they might be watching this video. Now it's time for you at home to join James, Sarah, Stephen, Helen and the rest of the Click Money members. I know you can't pass up money like this. This is the real deal and the money is moving fast. The longer you wait, the higher your chances of never becoming financially free. Complete the registration form on this page now. Please make sure you use your best contact number so we can call you right away to make sure you're using the most of our Click Money system. The first call is crucial, so don't miss it. Remember, you must fund your broker account in order to unlock the Click Money system. Most of our members deposit anywhere from $250 up to $1,000. The more you deposit, the more you can make.
Now, when you fill out the registration form, the broker is hard-coded into your Click Money account. He has agreed to double your deposit, therefore doubling your profits. You need to act right now if you want this deal.
I once had one of our members explain to me that the Click Money system was like having a real-time genie in a bottle. Whatever she wanted, she would click the autopilot mode button inside the system and watch the magic happen before her eyes.
Have you ever wished, when you opened a fortune cookie, that the fortune came true? I know I have. And when you sign up today, start saving your fortunes from now on. One by one, you'll start to see them coming true.
Imagine someone handing you the winning lotto numbers for a $12 million winning ticket. Once you activate the Click Money system, that's exactly what it will feel like. I speak from experience because in one of my bank accounts, that's exactly how much I have sitting there. 100% profit generated thanks to Click Money.
Let me ask you a really silly question. Why haven't you signed up yet? What could possibly be more important right now? Is it the initial deposit into your broker account that's bothering you? That could be the only reason, as access to the Click Money system is free. The same system that the big shots on Wall Street have offered me multi-seven figures for. So it must be about money. And I understand after all that's why you're here. You need to make money, not spend it. I get it. And this is where the problem lies and why you've been stuck and broke. Listen very closely because this is important. Your initial deposit of $250 or more is an investment. You're not paying for anything, you're investing in yourself. Now, there is no other correct way to think about this because at any time you may withdraw the money directly back into the bank account it came from. Now, I will say that if you plan to deposit $250 just to withdraw it, then don't bother.
Harry can be blunt sometimes, but you need to hear it straight. He's hit the nail on the head. The initial deposit is your money. Think of it like an investment account. The Click Money system can't make you any money if it's got no money to make trades. It really is as simple as that. If you want to make fast, low-risk profits in the hottest market at the click of a button, then this is the only path you can take to get your slice of the multi-billion-dollar pie.
Now, once your deposit is made, Click Money will activate and you're ready to start cashing in. The system will then start to make small trades for you to keep the risk low to start off. As you start to earn profit, it will then suggest to increase the amount of each trade. Starting off, you can earn up to $90 a trade, and then up to $300 a trade, and even $1,000 depending on how fast you want to scale your profits. Now, every few minutes you can make up to $90 to start off. And when you let ClickMoney run on autopilot in an 8-hour day, you can earn up to $10,000 in beginner mode. Now, advanced levels are over $20,000 a day.
Remember, Harry coded ClickMoney with a strategy that is unique to our system only. So every time you click the Go button inside the system, it executes the complex strategy behind the scenes at warp speed. All 100% automated. So what took Harry his whole life to master, you get to master with a simple click.
Now, let's not forget that the ones who take fast action and sign up now are also eligible for double your deposit. So even if the initial deposit is still a concern, you can now double your deposit for free to earn even more money faster. Deposit $250, end up with a broker balance of $500 after you get in touch with the broker. Deposit $500 and start with $1,000. I think you get the point.
By now, if you stare the gift horse in the mouth, your continued failure will only be your fault. If you leave this page and keep falling for the same trap of the online binary option scams, then I guess you deserve to lose your money. Or you can take the shortcut to make money like this every day for the rest of your life. We have the cheat codes embedded into the system for you. An unfair advantage over the rest of the people trading binary options. No one has this power and accuracy other than the members of ClickMoney. Accuracy percentages we can't even tell you for legal reasons, it's that high. You'll have to see for yourself.
It's time making millions becomes your hobby. Fill out the registration form with accurate contact details on this page now. And once you do, you will be emailed your broker login details and other important info, so make sure you look out for an email from CMS. Once you become a ClickMoney member, you will hear us use the acronym CMS a lot, as it's short for ClickMoney System.
After you fill out the form, then you will make your deposit to fund your broker account. On average, our members fund their account with $250 all the way up to $1,000. If you deposit $500, then the broker could double your deposit and turn it into $1,000. You could already start off in the money. And no, you cannot withdraw the bonus cash until you start trading with the system. No funny business, please.
That's right, Julia. We want people using ClickMoney who want to become millionaires, not waste our time or theirs. The only way we can even offer this system to you for free is because we want to get paid on the back end from the brokers. Otherwise, the cost would be no less than $10,000 a year for use.
If I were you, I would take advantage of this no-brainer deal before it leaves your grasp. Brokers are telling us any minute the deal could be over. If you make money, we make money too, but if you recall, if you lose trades and money, that means so do we. It's imperative you understand this, because this means we must make sure only the ones who want to be millionaires get in. We can't afford tire kickers or excuse makers.
We're only looking for action takers. Every single person who has joined ClickMoney System was dead broke when they did. But they all took a massive action. They believed in the system and it paid off big. I also added a security feature to make sure only the serious action takers get access. If you sign up today and you don't deposit or do nothing, then your account will be locked within 60 minutes and your user access given to someone in the waiting list. So please proceed to the final step if you are ready to make up to $1 million or more this year, just like some of our first members.
Today be thankful and think how rich you will become. Your life is priceless, your time is gold, and your health is wealth. And the ClickMoney system funds all of this for you. Your shortcut to unlimited money by a click of a button is at the tip of your fingers. Now grab it, seize this moment. Complete your registration and click the button below now to start making money. It's really easy and we will hold your hand every step of the way.
It's time you take this last step. Sometimes a smaller step in the right direction ends up being the biggest step of your life. Tiptoe if you must, but take the step right now and register your free ClickMoney system. Brilliant. This account is now up to $15,627.18. Now, ever since I upgraded the system with the latest version, our profits have been almost doubling. As promised, I'm transferring this account to you. But whoever is the first to register gets this account.
If you miss out on the free account that Harry made, don't sweat it. Just register right now and you could possibly make the same amount of money today. Not only that, but imagine making money like that every single day for the rest of your life. It's now possible with Click Money.
Click Money system works globally no matter where you are in the world, so everyone can join in on the money-making experience. Your time is now, as this video is coming to an end, which means your chance at becoming a millionaire ends too with this video.
Only if you do nothing. If you sign up today, you are in. If you wait, you are saying goodbye to money making like this. Saying no to money like this is crazy, so don't be crazy. Do the one thing that will turn your life around for good. No more credit card debt, no more mortgage, worrying about the bills will be a distant memory. Thinking about what next shiny object to buy will be your new hobby. Click on the system and let the magic genie work for you.
I couldn't have said it better myself. Okay, that's it. Register your account now on the next page and fund your broker account with the specified amount or more. After the deposit is made, you will be ready to start making money. Go now and we'll see you inside the Click Money system.